Hi, I'm Fadil. I'm a student of Environmental Engineering, Surya University. And this is supposed to be my ninth video journal, and I'm gonna telling you what we did and what we had in the last meeting of Scientific English Communication class. Well, here we go. Last Wednesday, as usual, my classmates and I had the meeting of Scientific English Communication class. And the last meeting was the third and the last week of individual presentation. Yay! Finally, we made it. We made the presentation week, and we did the individual presentation as well. And the last week, where we had the third and the last individual presentation week, we had 10 persons who had their presentation about their topics, yes. And also we had Mr. Chipto as the guest lecturer, or the guest judge, I mean. And Mr. Chipto is a lecturer from the Green Economy Department in Surya University. And from what Miss Sari told us, he is master in statistics. So, yeah, statistics, such a hard things actually for me. And about last week, one thing that I remember from Mr. Chipto comments for every person from the 10 persons who had their presentation last week is was when we had presentation, we have to make sure that we speak clearly and not too fast or not too slow, because it affects the audience attention, and it affects whether the audience could understand what we speak or not. So if we want uh, if we want to attract the audience to the presentation that we present, we have to make sure that we could speak clearly, and we know how when we have to speak fast, when we have to speak slow to make the intonation well and to get the attention from the audience, and also to make sure that the audience could understand what we are explaining. So from that thing we know that such a good presentation. Well, actually last week we didn't do a lot of things like the usual individual presentation week. We watch our friend presentation, and we feel the what is it? A form, yes, a form from a form, yes, that Miss Harihit has made before in the googling about peer reviewing our friends. So that's all I think. The last week, uh, what we did in the last week, but in the end of the meeting, Miss Sari gave us the information about SciCon 2015. The SciCon is a seminar about uh, academic writing, where Miss Sari is one of the speakers with 4 or 5 another speaker, I think. Well, I look forward to be in the seminar because, in my opinion, it would be interesting about academic writing. I haven't had a seminar about scientific writing before. Well, I think that's for my video journal. It's kind of short, I think, but hope you enjoy it. Thank you.